What's up everyone, this is Mike with Race City Marine, and today we're taking a look at the all-new 2020 Super Nautique G25. If you'd like to come see it in person or schedule a test drive, you can check out more of the details in the description below. This boat is 25 feet long. It has an exterior color of onyx black metal flake on the main and forward stripe as well as the accent, and then it has an onyx black hull. The primary interior color is going to be a Sahara sand, finished with black and white textures and accents, as well as a brown sea deck. Underneath the back of the boat, we have our NSS, our Nautique surf system, which is neatly tucked away against the back of the hull. That middle plate is going to come out only a couple inches, and that's going to help form your surf wave. Then we have our NCRS plate, our Nautique configurable running surface. This is going to help with planing, but as well it's going to tweak the surf wave. And then behind it we have our standard surf pipe. This is going to put all the exhaust in the water so your rider's not breathing in those exhaust fumes, but it also makes for a more quieter and comfortable ride for your family and friends inside the boat. Next to that, we have our optional thruster. This is going to allow you to trailer it easier, park it in tight corners, have control of your direction in reverse, and then also set up your rider on the correct side for that to make it easier for them to get up and ride the wave. This boat has the options of underwater lights as well as a ladder mounted underneath the platform. At the back of the boat, we have our cooler here for easy access while you're swimming, as well as your remote head unit to be able to control the music without having to get inside the boat. For the 2020 G Series models, we have a new feature, which are the rear seats with the cup holders here. These are nice for lounging while your family and friends are swimming. Moving inside the boat, we have a nice evenly stepped walk through here with another sea deck finish on that last step, so you're not stepping on any upholstery. This seat does pull back to turn into a bench, so you can have all your crew watching your rider. If we open up our storage compartments, you'll see we always have a huge amount of room for life jackets, boards, ropes, whatever you want to bring on the boat, because all the G Series are going to be subfloor ballast, so you're not going to see any of the bags or tanks or anything like that. It's all going to be integrated into the beneath the floor. Moving to the engine, if we lift up this last hatch, we have a ZZ6, which is a new style engine for 2020. It's closed cooled, direct injected, so it's very fuel efficient. It's 450 horsepower and 463 foot-pounds of torque, which is going to be plenty to push an entire crew fully loaded with ballast. We'll lift up our bench seat here, which is also hinged. You'll see the sea deck is still finished on the floor, and there's still more room for storage, which it opens up to the back so you can fit several skis throughout there as well. We move to the other side, it's the same thing with our optional table for this boat. Close that up and lift up this bench, which locks into place for another lean back, but it also has an opening to make your passenger seat more of a love seat. Underneath our passenger seat, we have another large storage compartment, again, finished with sea deck. You'll see our trash cans on the side that has easy access from here. And then we have our 12-inch sub, which is paired with another one underneath the driver helm, and then as well as our amplifiers up there. See our main JL audio head unit. Next to it is a passenger seat heater, 12-volt outlets, your auxiliary cords, charging ports, and other cords for music. At the helm, we have a very comfortable driver's seat. We got the bolster here if you need the extra height. And when we sit in it, you can see we have a nice leg cutout so we can easily watch the rider and quickly turn to watch where we're going as well. Here, we have a nice armrest right where the throttle's at. Makes it easy to shift in and out of gear. Next to it, we have our helm control knob, which we can control all of the screen features through this, or we can simply do it by touching it as well. On our link panorama screen on the left side, we have our main screen showing all of our features for our surf settings, our steering assist, and our statuses. We have our music homepage, GoPro settings, ballast levels, courtesy lighting and climate features, profiles, our map, and our settings. Then off to the right, we have our awareness camera that we can bring up to keep extra eyes on our rider. Then next to the screen, we have a nice storage area to put keys or wallets or anything like that. We have a nice phone holder here. And then we also have a new feature for 2020, which is a wireless charging station for your phone. Moving to the bow of the boat, we have our windshield that easily opens. We have the optional slide-in air dam for the colder days. You'll see we have two optional armrests here that lock into place. You'll notice, again, we still have seats on hinges with a little bit more storage room underneath here for life jackets and ropes. Then if we flip this center cushion over and take this last piece out, and that will make for another walkthrough in the front if it's easier to get in and out. On the tower, we have our swivel board racks which are pointed more vertically so that they're dripping outside of the boat and not in. They also don't have any bungees, they're just spring-loaded plungers on here to make it easier to put them in and out. Moving up, we have our 8.8 JL Audio tower speakers with a down mic. Then on the top of the Bimini, we have 2 surf pockets to keep the boards up and out of the way. To fold the Bimini in, we're just gonna pull out a pin to release the support arm, then we're gonna fold each wing in. To fold the tower, we're gonna unlock each side and lift up. Then we're gonna take each knob out on the side of the Bimini. That way we can push this up so it goes straight. From there, you can just push straight down on the tower. That was a look at our all-new 2020 Super Nautique G25. If you'd like to come see it in person or schedule a test drive, you can check out more of the details in the description below.